हमारे चैनल ब्लॉग में आपका स्वागत है। आज हम पढ़ाने जा रहे हैं कुछ सॉल्यूशन के कुछ इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन। ये सॉल्यूशन इज ऑब्टेन्ड बाय मिक्सिंग जी 3 ग्राम 300 ग्राम ऑफ 25% solution 400 ग्राम ऑफ 40% solution by mass. Calculate the mass percentage of the resulting solution. Second को I93 solution is prepared from 222.6 gram of ethylene glycol and 200 gram of water. Calculate the molality of the solution. If the density of solution is 1.072 gram milliliter, then what will be the molality of the solution? The partial pressure of ethane over a solution containing 6.56 into 10 power minus 3 gram of ethane is 1 bar. If the solution contains 5.00 into 10 power minus 2 gram of ethane, then what will be the partial pressure of the gas? An aqueous solution of 2% non-volatile solute exerts a pressure of 1.004 bar at the normal boiling point of the solvent. What is the molecular mass of solute? Heptane and octane form an ideal gas at 73 Kelvin. The vapor pressure of two liquid components are 1.5.2 kilopascal and 46.8 kilopascal respectively. What will the vapor pressure of mixture of 26 gram of heptane and 35 gram of octane? Calculate the mass of non-volatile solute which should be dissolved in 114 gram octane to reduce its vapor pressure to 80%. A solution containing 30 gram of non-volatile solute exactly in 90 gram of water has a vapor pressure of 2.8 kilopascal at 298 Kelvin. Further, 80 gram of water is added to the solution and a new vapor pressure becomes 2.9 kilopascal at 38 Kelvin. Calculate the molar mass of solute vapor pressure of water at 310 Kelvin. A 5% solution of cane sugar in water high freezing point of 271. Calculate the freezing point of 5% glucose in water. A freezing point of pure water is 273.15 Kelvin. Two elements A and B form compounds having formula AB2 and AB4 when dissolved in B 20 gram of benzene C6 1 gram of AB2 lower the freezing point by 2.3 Kelvin, whereas 1.0 gram of AB4 lowers it by 1.3 Kelvin. The molar depression constant for benzene is 5.1 kilogram mole inverse. Calculate the atomic mass of A and B. At 300 Kelvin, 36 gram of glucose present in a liter of its solution has an osmotic pressure of 4.98 bar. If the osmotic pressure of solution is 1.52 bars at the same temperature, what will be its control? If the solubility product of CuS is 6 into 10 power minus 16, calculate the maximum molarity of CuS in aqueous solution. Calculate the mass percentage of aspirin in acetonitrile when 6.5 gram of C in H8O4 is dissolved in 450 gram of CH3HCl. Nalorphine, similar to morphine, is used to combat withdrawal symptoms in narcotic ulcers. Dose of nalorphine is generally given in 1.5 milligram. Calculate the mass of 1.5 into 10 power minus 3 m aqueous solution required for the above dose. Calculate the amount of benzoic acid required for preparing 250 ml of 0.15 solution in methanol. Calculate the depression in freezing point of the pressure water when 10 kg of CH3 CH2 CHCl COOH is added to 250 gram of water. Ka should 1.4 into 10 power minus 3 Kf 1.86 kilogram mole inverse. 19.5 gram of CH2F CaOOH is dissolved in 500 gram of water. The depression in the freezing point of water absolutely 1.0 degrees Celsius. Calculate the want half factor and dissociation constant of fluoroacetic acid. Water vapor pressure of water at 293 Kelvin is 17.535 millimeter. Calculate the vapor pressure of water at 93 Kelvin when 25 gram of glucose is dissolved in 450 gram of water. Henry law constant for the molarity of methane in benzene at 298 Kelvin is 4.27 to 10 mmHg. Calculate the solubility of methane in benzene at 298 Kelvin under 760 millimeter Hg. 100 gram of liquid A was dissolved in 100,000 gram of liquid B. The vapor pressure of liquid B was found to be 500 torsilli. Calculate the vapor pressure of pure liquid A and its vapor pressure in solution if the total vapor pressure of solution is 475 torsilli. The air is a mixture of number of gases. The major components are oxygen and nitrogen with approximate proportion of 20% is to 79% by volume at 298 Kelvin. The water is in equilibrium with air at a pressure of 10 atm at 298 Kelvin. If the Henry law constant for oxygen and nitrogen at 298 Kelvin are 3.3 into 10 power 7 mm and 5 into 10 power 7 mm respectively. Calculate the composition of these gases in water. Determine the amount dissolved in 2.5 liter of water such as that its osmotic pressure is 0.75 atm at 27 degrees Celsius. Determine the osmotic pressure of solution prepared by dissolving 25 mg of K2SO4 into liter of water at 25 degrees Celsius, consuming that it is completely dissociated. F2 plus 2 electron, 2 F1 electron, 2.87 E naught upon B. Reaction oxidized form plus N electron is reduced from CO3 plus electron CO2 plus V 1.81 H2 O2 plus 2H positive plus 2 electron 2H2 1.78 MnO4 minus 8 H plus 5 electron Mn2 plus 4H2 1.51 Au3 plus electron Au 1.40 Cl2 plus 2 electron 2 Cl 1.36 Cr2 2 minus 14H plus 6 electron 2 Cr3 plus 7H2 1.33 O2 plus 4H plus 4 electron 2H2 1.323 MnO2 plus 4H plus 2 electron 2 MnO2 Mn2 plus 2 H2 1.23 Br2 plus 2 electron 2 Br 1.09 NO3 minus 4H plus 3 electron NO plus H2 H2 0.90 2 Hg2 plus 2 electron Hg2 2 plus 0.92 Ag plus electron Ag 0.8077 Fe3 plus electron Fe2 plus 0.768 O2 plus 2 hydrogen plus 2 electron H2 O2 0.68 I2 plus 2 electron 2I 0.54 Cu plus electron Cu 0.52 Cu plus Cu2 plus 2 electron Cu 0.34 AgCl plus electron Ag plus Cl 0.22 AgBr Ag plus Br 0.10 2H plus 2 electron H2 0.00 Pb2 plus 2 electron Pb 0.13 Sn2 plus 2 electron Sn 0.14 Ni2 plus 2 electron Ni 0.25 represent the cell in which the following reaction take place Mgh plus 2Ag 0.0001 M Mg2 plus M 0.130 M plus 2Ag E naught cell 3.17 the cell can be written as Mg2 plus 0.130 M Ag plus 0.00 M Ag is cell equal to E naught cell minus RT upon 2 F ln Mg2 plus Ag2 plus the whole square 3.17 voltage minus 0.059 voltage upon 2 d log 0.130 upon 0.001 whole square equal to 3.17 minus 0.21 d 2.96 volt. Standard electrode potential for diagonal cell is 1.1 voltage. Calculate the standard gives energy for the Zn plus Cu2 plus Zn2 plus Cu delta R equal to minus Fn NF E cell F equal to 96487 and E naught cell equal to 1.1 voltage. Delta R equal to 2 into 1.19647 equal to 21.227 kilogram mole inverse. Calculate the potential of hydrogen electrode in contact with solution whose pH is 10. Calculate the EMF of the cell in which the following reaction takes place. Ni plus 2 Ag plus 0.002 M, Ni2 plus 0.6160 M plus 2 Ag. Yes. Given that E naught cell equal to 1.05, the cell in which the following reactions occur to 2Fe3 plus 2I minus 2Fe2 plus I2 as E naught cell to 0.236 voltage at 298. Calculate the standard gas energy and equilibrium constant of the cell layer. Resistance of conductivity cell filled with 0.1 mole liter inverse KCl is under the resistance of the same cell when filled with 0.02 mole liter inverse KCl solution is 520 ohm. Calculate the conductivity and molar conductivity of 0.02 mole liter inverse KCl solution. Conductivity of 0.01 mole liter inverse KCl solution is 1.29. Concentration, molarity, conductivity, molar conductivity, mole liter inverse, mole meter inverse, centimeter inverse, Siemens meter inverse, Siemens centimeter square, mole inverse, SM meter square, mole minus 1.00, 1000, 0.0113, 111.13, 111.3, 111.3 into 10 power minus 4, 0.100, 100, 0.129, 0.129, 129.0, 129.0 into 10 power minus 4, 0.012, 10, 10, 0.00441, 0.141, 141, 1.141.0 into 10 power minus 4. Material conductivity cement meter or cement conductor sodium 2.1 into 10 power minus 3, copper 5.9 into 10 power 3, silver 6.2 into 10 power 3, gold 4.5 into 10 power 3, iron 1.0 into 10 power 3, graphite 1.2 into 10 power, aqua solution pure water 3.5 into 10 power minus 5, 0.1 mole, SEL 0.91, 0.001 NaCl, 0.14, 0.1 m HAC, 0.047, 0.01 HAC, 0.16 insulator glass 1 into 10 power minus 16, Teflon 1 into 10 power minus 18, CuO 1 into 10 power minus 7, Si 1.5 into 10 power minus 2, Ge 2.0. The electrical resistance of a column of 0.05 mole leader NaOH solution of diameter 1 cm and length 50 cm is 5.55 into 10 power minus 10 power 3 ohm. Calculated resistivity, conductivity and molar conductivity. Molar conductivity of KCl solution at different concentration at 298 Kelvin are given below. 3 mole liter inverse delta m by S C meter square molar. So a plot between delta m and C half is a straight line. Determine the value of delta m and A for KCl. दोस्तों आज यहीं तक, चैनल को लाइक सब्सक्राइब करना मत भूलिए। धन्यवाद दोस्तों।